The busy street.
This street is very crowded today.
Yes, too many people everywhere.
Hold your bag close, okay?
Okay, I will hold it tight.
Stay next to me, please.
I don't want to get lost.
You won't. I'm right here.
Okay, that helps me relax.
Let's walk on the left side.
Left side. Yes, I follow you.
Watch people coming toward us.
Oh, they walk so fast.
Excuse me, work in crowds.
Excuse me. Okay, I try.
Say it when you need space.
Excuse me. Sorry. Thank you.
That was very natural.
Oh, really? I feel better.
Now we cross at the light.
The light? Is it safe now?
Wait, it's still red.
Okay, we wait here.
Now it's green. Let's go.
Okay, I'm walking with you.
Good. Keep a steady pace.
Step by step. I'm doing it.
And we're across safely.
Yes, we made it.
Next time, you guide me.
Maybe in a quiet street. The university bus stop.
This is the university bus stop.
It looks very busy here.
Yes, students go home now.
I don't know which bus.
Where do you want to go?
I go to Park Road.
Okay, take bus number 12.
Number 12. I will remember.
Look at that sign there.
I see. Many numbers listed.
Find number 12 on it.
Yes, it stops here, I think.
Good. You are correct.
Oh, that makes me happy.
The bus comes in 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Not too long.
Do you have a ticket?
No, I don't have one.
You can pay on the bus.
Oh, that is easy then.
Keep some cash ready now.
Yes, I have small money.
Stand in line with others.
Okay, I follow the line.
Here comes your bus now.
Oh, I see number 12.
And get ready to step forward.
Yes, I'm ready to go.
Tell the driver your stop.
Park Road, I will say it.
You'll be fine. Don't worry.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Have a safe ride.
I hope I don't miss it. A simple favor.
Hey, can you help me quickly?
Yes, what do you need?
I forgot my wallet at home.
Oh, that is not good.
Can you pay for my coffee?
I think I can help.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. It's not a problem.
I will send you the money later.
Yes, you can send it online.
I feel a bit silly now.
It happens. Don't worry.
The total is $5.
Okay, I will pay now.
Thanks again for helping me.
You're welcome. I feel good helping.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes after my classes.
The coffee here is really nice.
Yes, I liked it a lot.
Next time, coffee is on me.
Okay, I will remember that.
Don't forget to remind me.
I will. Don't worry.
All right, I need to go now.
Okay, see you next time.
See you and thank you again.
Next time, you pay double. A helping hand at the laundromat.
Hey, need help with the machine?
Yes, I don't understand it.
It's okay. I can show you.
Thank you. I feel confused here.
First, put your clothes inside.
Like this? All of them?
Yes, but don't overfill it.
Okay, not too many clothes.
Now add some detergent here.
How much? Should I add?
Just one small cup is enough.
Oh, that is simple.
Close the door tightly now.
Okay, it is closed now.
Choose the wash setting here.
There are many options here.
Use normal wash for these.
Normal wash. I press this.
Yes, that's the right button.
Oh, it started working.
See? Not so hard.
Yes, I feel more confident now.
It will take 30 minutes.
30 minutes. I can wait.
You can sit over there.
Okay, I will sit and relax.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, my first laundromat visit.
You're doing great already.
Thanks for your kind help.
No problem. Happy to help.
Next time I help someone. Looking for the library.
Hi, are you looking for something?
Yes, I need the library.
The central library is nearby.
Nearby, but I feel a bit lost.
No problem. I can guide you.
Thank you. I really need help.
Walk straight down this street.
Straight? Okay, I understand.
Then turn left at the lights.
Turn left at the traffic lights.
Yes, exactly at the lights.
Okay, I will remember that.
You will see a big building.
A big building. Is it modern?
Yes, it looks very modern.
Oh, I think I saw it.
That is the library entrance.
Really? That's good to know.
It takes about 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes? That's close.
Do you need anything else?
Is it open today?
Yes, it is open now.
Oh, perfect timing for me.
You can study or read there.
Yes, I need a quiet place.
It's very quiet inside.
That sounds very nice.
All right, enjoy your visit.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
I hope I don't get lost again. Checking in.
Good evening. Welcome to the hotel.
Hello. I have a booking here.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Lucy Brown.
Let me check your reservation.
Okay, I will wait here.
Yes, I found your booking.
Oh, that is good news.
Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. Just a moment.
Okay, no problem.
You booked 2 nights, correct?
Yes, 2 nights only.
Breakfast is included in your stay.
Oh, that sounds very nice.
Here is your room keycard.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Your room is on the 3rd floor.
3rd floor. How do I go?
Take the lift on your right.
The lift. Okay, I see it.
Your room number is 305.
Room 305. I will remember.
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
11 a.m. Not too early.
Do you need anything else?
Is Wi-Fi free here?
Yes, the password is on the card.
Great. That helps a lot.
Enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you. Have a good evening. Making an appointment.
Good morning. How can I help?
Hello, I need an appointment.
Is it for today or later?
Today, if possible, please.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a bad headache.
I see. Since when?
Since yesterday in the evening.
Do you have a fever?
I think a little bit.
Okay, Let me check availability.
Okay, I will wait.
There is a slot at 11.
11 is okay for me.
Can I have your name?
Yes, it's Mia Clark.
And your phone number, please?
Yes, I will tell you now.
Thank you. You are booked now.
Oh, thank you so much.
Please arrive 10 minutes early.
10 minutes before 11, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, I will come early.
Bring your ID with you.
Yes, I will not forget.
The doctor will see you soon.
I hope I feel better soon.
Take care. See you later.
Thank you. See you soon. A new friend in a coffee shop.
Is this seat free here?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thanks. It's very busy today.
Yes, many people love coffee.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, after my English class.
Oh, nice. You study English?
Yes, I am still learning.
Your English sounds very clear.
Thank you. I try every day.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Good choice. I like it too.
Yes, it feels warm and nice.
Do you live near this place?
Yes, just 10 minutes away.
That's perfect for daily coffee.
Yes, I came here to relax.
Do you come alone usually?
Yes, I don't know many people.
Well, now you know one.
Oh, that is very kind.
We can chat again sometime.
Yes, I would like that.
Maybe next week, same place?
Next week. Yes, that works.
Great. It's a simple plan.
I'm glad I met you today.
Me too. See you soon.
Yes, don't forget me. A windy day in the park.
It's very windy today.
Yes, the wind is very strong.
Hold your bag tightly.
Okay, I will hold it close.
Be careful. Things can fly away.
Oh, my hair is everywhere.
That happens in wind.
It feels like a storm here.
Do you have an umbrella?
I don't have my umbrella.
Don't worry. I have one.
Oh, that is really helpful.
Let's walk under the trees.
Under the trees? Yes, better.
The wind is weaker there.
I can feel it. A little calmer.
Watch that falling branch.
Oh, that was scary.
It's safe. Just windy weather.
I didn't expect this wind.
London weather changes quickly.
Yes, I am learning that.
Let's sit on that bench.
Yes, I need a break.
Curious, do you like the park?
Yes, it is beautiful even now.
Wind makes it more exciting.
Or a little difficult.
Ready to walk back?
Yes, but slowly, please.
Don't worry, I've got you.
Thank you. I feel safe now. Opening a bank account.
Hello? Need help today?
Hi, I want open account.
Great. We can do that here.
I not sure what I need.
No problem. I will explain simply.
Thank you. I feel a little nervous.
First, do you have ID?
Yes, I have passport with me.
Perfect. Any proof of address?
I have bill from my flat.
That works. Please show me both.
Here, please check them.
Thank you. Everything looks good here.
Question: what type account can I open?
You can open a current account.
Current account for daily use, right?
Yes, you can send and receive money.
Can I get bank card also?
Yes, you will get a debit card.
That is good. I need that.
Do you want online banking too?
Yes, I use phone a lot.
Great. I will set it up now.
Is there any monthly fee?
No fee for this basic account.
Oh, that is very good.
Please sign here and here.
Like this? Is it okay?
Yes, that is perfect. Thank you.
So, my account is ready now?
Almost. Card comes in 5 days.
Okay, I will wait for it.
Welcome to the bank.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.